Yeah.
Good morning, guys. Today I built this instrument and there's three marble blocks left with my number blocks here.
Okay.
This is first the piano. Second, the instrument is xylophone. This one is drums. That's it for the drums.
Wow. And
And this is guitars.
okay, you have many guitars.
Yeah, so everyone can have guitars.
Okay. What's your favorite song?
Diba? Here, piano, and also xylophone.
Can you play me one song using your instrument?
Okay. Baby shark, doo 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 doo. Baby shark, doo 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 doo. Baby shark, doo 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 doo. Baby shark.
How about your piano? How can you use your piano? Can you play your piano?
I can make sponkies, but not the real piano.
How you play it? How you use your piano? Wow, amazing, Kuya. How about your drums? Can you play your drums? What song is that?
Fun but pyramids. Fun but splendid.
Okay, how about the guitar? How do you use guitar?
You hold it and like this.
Like that? Okay.
It sounds like gray.
But it's also look like a violin. You know violin?
Yeah, violin.
Yeah, you use it holding it and then putting it in your shoulder, on your shoulder.
Yeah, that's violin.
Okay. You say thank you guys for watching me.
Thank you guys for watching me.
Don't forget.
Don't forget to subscribe and click the bell button. Bye!
Pagi.